So let us jump right into it. I want to thank Panalahair for sponsoring this video. And in the package, I received these goodies that I'm showing you right now. The wig that I'm going to be working with is an 18-inch natural black straight 7x5 closure wig. With a density of 180. And guess what? It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, and also the lace is HD, so you know what she's about. A very easy installment, right? So yes, and with the dome cap, it has a unique C design ear shape, so you can look out for it not covering your ears or feeling painful at that area. It's a very comfortable fit, I may say. And with the dome cap, it is adjustable, so you can fit it to your head size, and it's also removable, which you don't want to do that because you need that secure fit. So let us get into the installment. So first thing first is using your makeup foundation that matches your complexion on the lace part of the wig. Now fitting it to see what I'm working with, and I'm telling you, this wig is very snuggable. Yes, and with the hairline, it is pre-plucked, but I'm going to perfect it in somewhat way because you know girls don't like plucking, but at the same time I needed to give me a more natural look, so this part is optional. All right.
Trying to hit the group chat and tell them it's a calm and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap.
Now I'm getting to see what the showgirl is all about, so just sit back and watch me finish this installment. And it's gonna be glueless, so it's definitely a beginner friendly. So watch the video to the end because I'll be coming back to give you my final thoughts. Alright?
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all that. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all that.
And I am done. Yes, girl looking cute, girl looking fine. So with this wig, it fit very snug, you know, and very comfortable, I may say. And what you can expect from this wig is that it is very silky and soft at the same damn time, and it is definitely a put on and go, like take out of the package, fix her up, you know, by pressing oil, and guess what, you fully transform her, and it is a daily wear. So let us get into it. Yes, anyway guys, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. All right, so later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.